Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Damos Handyman Workshop, where I'm just doing the hydraulic strut set on the back of my Toyota HiAce. So you can do the high roof, mid roof or low roof, and you can pick them up on Amazon on the link below. So I've just got my socket set and the new set of hydraulics, and here's the bracket, and I'm just using the 12mm socket to loosen this bottom bracket on the hydraulic strut. So there is the bottom bolt, and that's 12mm, and then there's just one at the top here. So we'll just take them out like so, and then removing the bolts, and now we can do the top bracket. So same deal, 12mm, one on the right side, one on the left side of that bracket. And I was able to grab these new hydraulic struts off Amazon for $49.99 with free delivery, which is pretty good. So yeah, I'm just finishing off, taking off this last bolt of this dodgy strut, and there we go. Now here's the new strut, and on here it's got R for the right hand side, and that's on there because it's got a stopper on there to stop the door actually slamming. So you got to have that either for the right hand side or the L for the left hand side. So here we are fastening it, and I start at the top here, so then we can just line up the bottom. But you got to make sure that the door's up high enough that you're actually able to line up those two bolt holes properly. So we get them in nicely and do that by hand tight, and now fasten it with a socket wrench. So that's on nice and tight, and at the same time I've had like the painter's pole, the roller pole holding the door up. You can probably use a broom or something at that length to hold it up, because as you can see, one strut probably won't hold it up completely, or doesn't hold it up while you're doing the work. So you need to fasten it and support it somehow. So I use the painter's pole, and so here I am taking off the old strut on the left hand side, and as you can see there too, it's got the marking for the new one, and I'm fastening that in with the 12mm bolts. And so I'm starting with the top brackets first so that I can hang a bit loosely, but as I said, you kind of got to adjust the door at the back too to make sure that the bracket lines up properly, and I make sure that it's hand tight or a little bit looser to start off with, so that they can both line up properly, because if you've tightened one of the bolts too tight, it might be too hard to get the second one in. So there you have it, both struts done. Now taking the painter's pole away, and it's nice and sturdy and standing up on its own. And now when you put the door down and open it, it will open on its own. So there you go, brilliant on its own. So thanks for joining me, and I'll see you next time.